NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has hardly opened its eyes, and the universe wow. Scientists are freaking out after Webb's latest discovery in the far reaches of space. This mind-blowing find has astronomers questioning everything they thought they knew. The impossible has become reality, as Webb's superpowered eye spotted something lurking in the darkness that no one expected to see. What's hiding out there? The answer will blow your mind. The discovery that shocked everyone: scientists were just doing their regular check of Webb's latest deep space images when something caught their eye, something that shouldn't be there. In the darkness between galaxies, a strange structure was glowing, unlike anything seen before. The team first thought it was a camera glitch or light reflection, but after triple-checking the data, they realized this was real. What makes this find so mind-blowing is how it completely breaks our understanding of cosmic evolution. This mysterious object shows patterns and emissions that contradict everything in our astronomy textbooks. Few astronomical finds have rattled cosmology's foundations more than the revelation of JD's GS-Z13-1, captured by the James Webb Space Telescope. This tiny galaxy appears just 290 million years after the Big Bang. Conventional wisdom held that such early epochs were too primitive to forge heavy elements, yet its glow bore the unmistakable fingerprint of oxygen and metal forged by ancient supernovae. Its existence obliterated the slow cradle view of cosmic history. Within its compact core, barely 1,600 light-years across billions of suns blazed in a frenzied burst of star formation and death. The shockwave rippled through theoretical physics. Models that predicted gradual chemical enrichment collapsed under the weight of this single observation. Researchers scrambled to rework theories, accommodating a universe far more efficient at producing complex elements. JD's GS-Z13-1 blurred the boundary between cosmic infancy and adolescence, revealing a vibrant forge capable of astonishing complexity. More than a milestone in distance, this discovery fundamentally rewrote our understanding of the early cosmos. It painted a picture of a nascent universe ignited in a rapid burst of creation, capable of complexity. Cosmic dawn arrived not as a gradual glow but as a majestic, blazing inferno of primordial light, spurring quests to explore cosmic dawn. It is so interesting to know even veteran space experts were left speechless, scratching their heads at how something like this could exist in the conditions we know about early universe formation. The discovery has triggered emergency meetings at NASA and ESA, with some researchers canceling vacations to analyze the data. Whatever this thing is, it's forcing scientists to rethink fundamental theories about how our universe works, theories that have stood solid for decades until Webb turned its powerful eyes to this particular patch of sky. Webb supervision reveals the unthinkable. Unlike regular telescopes that see like human eyes, Webb sees heat signatures, the infrared light that regular telescopes miss completely. This superpower let Webb spot something hiding in plain sight that Hubble and other telescopes flew past for years. Imagine looking at what seems like empty space, then suddenly finding something massive lurking there. That's exactly what happened. Webb's mirrors, bigger than a tennis court when unfolded, collect light that's traveled billions of years to reach us. Its sensors are so sensitive, they could detect the heat of a bumblebee on the moon. Webb supervision has unveiled cosmic landscapes once deemed beyond imagination. In one frame, the telescope captured a primordial galaxy glowing with oxygen just 330 million years after the Big Bang, forcing cosmologists to rewrite models of early chemical enrichment. Dust factories within Wolf-Rayet stars spilled soot and complex organics into interstellar clouds, hinting that planet-building materials formed far sooner than ever thought possible. Webb's infrared eyes pierced the Tarantula Nebula's dense shroud, revealing colossal protostars carving intricate pillars of star birth. On a smaller scale, exoplanets and their rings emerged in sharp silhouette, while blazing storms on Titan cast methane clouds hundreds of kilometers high, proving that alien weather follows familiar physical laws. Invisible matter betrayed its presence in gently curved arcs of lensed galaxies, and intermediate-mass black holes revealed themselves within dim, inactive dwarf systems, revising theories of galactic evolution. From the haunting keyhole of supernova 1987A to the ghostly sheen of Uranus's polar rings, each discovery challenges preconceived boundaries. Webb's revelations are not gentle nudges but gut punches to our cosmic narrative, reminding us that the universe holds unthinkable wonders still waiting in the dark. It is breathtaking and truly transformative. When pointed at this mysterious region, Webb didn't just see a faint blur, it captured crystal-clear details of something that challenges physics as we understand it. The telescope's instruments measured unusual energy patterns radiating from this structure, patterns that don't match any known cosmic object. What's even crazier is that this discovery wasn't made by looking at some special target. It was found in what astronomers thought was just ordinary deep space, meaning there could be more of these impossible objects hiding everywhere in our universe. Ancient light tells an impossible story. This strange cosmic structure is sending us light from nearly 13.5 billion years ago, practically touching the beginning of time itself. The universe was just a baby then, only about 300 million years old. Here's the impossible part: according to everything we know, elements needed to form this kind of structure simply shouldn't have existed that early in cosmic history. It's like finding a smartphone in ancient Egypt. The necessary components just weren't available yet. The light patterns show signs of heavy elements that should have taken billions more years to form in sufficient quantities. Astronomers are particularly stunned by the evidence of complex chemistry happening when the universe was still mostly hydrogen and helium. When the James Webb Space Telescope peers into the depths of time, it gathers ancient photons that have traveled for more than 13 billion years to reach us. These faint glimmers carry messages from an era when the universe was barely a toddler, a few 100 million years old. Instead of a placid realm slowly building complexity, the telescope finds cosmic furnaces ablaze with stars forging heavy elements at breathtaking rates. Primordial galaxies appear surprisingly large and enriched, their chemical fingerprints betraying histories of furious supernova explosions. Dust grains form almost instantly, weaving intricate cocoons around newborn suns. Black holes with millions of solar masses roar inside fledgling galaxies, challenging the notion that such monsters need eons to grow. Streams of gas flow along invisible filaments, feeding star factories like mighty rivers, channeling life through barren deserts. Even the glow of diffuse nebulae defies expectations, showing structures sculpted by intense radiation and magnetic fields far stronger than theory predicted. Each extraordinary observation forces astronomers to rewrite simulations and rethink the timing of cosmic milestones. The ancient light does not whisper a familiar fairy tale, it shouts a shocking revelation, revealing a universe far wilder and more mature at its dawn. It's forcing everyone to rewrite the cosmic timeline. Some scientists are suggesting this might be evidence of ultra-fast evolution in certain cosmic regions, or possibly even something more exotic, structures that formed before the Big Bang and somehow survived. The Webb team has already scheduled follow-up observations to look deeper into this cosmic puzzle, hoping to understand how such complexity could arise so early in our universe's story. Hidden in plain sight for billions of years, what's absolutely mind-boggling about this discovery is that it's been hiding in a region of space that astronomers have studied for decades. Previous telescopes simply lacked the power to see it. This patch of sky has been photographed by Hubble multiple times, with scientists examining those images countless times, never knowing what was hiding just beyond their view. The mysterious structure has potentially been influencing surrounding space for billions of years, yet we've been completely blind to its existence. It's like suddenly discovering an entire mountain range in your backyard that you somehow never noticed. Astronomers are now rushing to re-examine familiar regions with Webb's superior vision, wondering what else might be hiding in plain sight.